If your TV's cables are plugged in tightly into the walls and the cords aren't aging, the electric current fed to your TV might be too little to support your needs. You can also have this same experience if your connected devices are old or faulty. They are likely to transmit the wrong signals and cause this problem. All your Sony TV components exchange signals on the motherboard. So, if it's damaged, they might stop exchanging signals and cause the TV to act weird. A faulty or discharged remote control can also stop functioning as required and eventually cause the TV to turn itself off. You could also be a victim of consumer electronics control settings. This HDMI function permits the command and control of your TV. An incorrect internal timer can also disrupt your experience until you change it. Since Sony TVs have eco mode, you or someone else might have turned this feature on. It makes the TV go into sleep mode to save energy. Like other electronics, bugs and setting configuration issues can lead to several problems, including the TV turning itself off. Sometimes, your TV can behave unexpectedly when your Wi-Fi network is on, and you are talking on your phone or have stored some videos on the mobile device. This can be a threat if you've connected the device to Google Assistant or Alexa. Confirm whether your TV has a removable AC power cord. If it does, ensure the cord is firmly plugged into the TV. If the TV has a separate AC power adapter, ensure the connection between the power cords and the adapter is firm. Try plugging the power cord properly into the wall outlet. If the problem persists, remove your surge suppressors, power strips, or any similar device to find out whether they are the culprits, if applicable. Use a different AC wall outlet, and ensure the outlet switch is turned on. Check whether the buttons are stuck and try fixing them. If you notice no sign of physical damage, clean the buttons and remove the batteries from the remote and see whether the issue persists. If that fixes the issue, replace the batteries. Remove external devices from the TV, like cable boxes and USB devices, except the AC power cord. If the situation has improved, reconnect the devices one by one as you try to verify the one causing the issue. From the home screen, go to Settings, click External Inputs, choose Bravia Sync Settings, click Bravia Sync Control, then Off. Click Yes to confirm. Check whether the TV module is set to Eco mode in the settings. If it is, disable the feature. Go to Home menu, then Settings, then Power, then Eco, then Idle TV Standby, then Off. Disconnect from the Wi-Fi and then reconnect to it. Go to Settings and then Network Connectivity. Perform software update. Unplug your TV from the power outlet. Wait for 1 minute. Plug it back in. Press the Home button on the remote. Use the arrow keys to navigate to Settings. Select this option and then press Enter. Choose Storage and Reset and then press Enter. Select Restore Factory Settings. Once that is done, press Enter. Select Erase all data. Finally, press Enter and confirm the reset.